Hello everyone! I am glad to have you back for a new video. Today we will try private messaging with Sphere by Horizen. To do private messaging, you will need to be in full mode and have downloaded all blockchain in your computer. To know how to do it, please refer to the first video we made in this subject. I will also link this video as a comment. We will start by adding a contact. To do so, two options. First option is to paste conversation key from my friend. I click on install key and I copy my confirmation key to give it to my friend. We will see the other option a bit later. So we can see that I received a message. I can answer with the empty field and then press send. The message is processing. Then it's pending. We will have to wait for it to be confirmed to send a new message. Meanwhile, I am able to receive messages. During this short conversation, I will explain you why you should use Sphere by Horizen. That's because that permits censorship resistance and that allows you to do private messaging everywhere. A bit later, I'll explain to you how is it working. Here, on Sphere, we can see that some messages are confirmed. That means that they are already in a block on the blockchain. I can delete the conversation by clicking on the bin on the top right and confirm on the left. Now we will use the second way to add a contact. So I generate a conversation key that I give to my friend. I paste the confirmation key she gave to me. I can also send her a message and start our conversation. Here, we can see that I wasn't able to send the message. That's because my previous message was still pending. So, how is it working? zk-snark is a truly ingenious method of proving that something is true without revealing any other information. Each message is a very small private transaction, which is shielded via zk-snark. On the blockchain, it is difficult to figure what is a ZenChat private message and what is just an ordinary shielded transaction. If you want to have more information about privacy and how ZenChat is working, you can go on the Horizen Academy. You will find a link under the video. Thanks for watching.